YouTube, what is up? So today I have got the TORRAS Upgraded 360 Ring Case. It's got an upgraded magnet, some upgraded drop protection, and something with a little twist. Now speaking of twists, this is me twisting your arm. Ooh yeah! Sub to my channel and smash that like button. So what do you say? Let's get into it. All right, so I have got here the TORRAS UPro case. UPro, iPro, WePro. You know, nothing, too stellar going on around the box. Let's go ahead and take a look here. And what do we got in here? We've got the case and some plastic and some oh wait.
Sir, calm down.
So looking at this case, what that little twist is that I was talking about is the ring, it twists. Now I do have the old case here, the old 360 case, and it was, of course, you spun it around, and this one, it just stays in place, but it twists.
What a twist!
Also noticing that the buttons are different. The old 360 case came with buttons, little metal buttons that you could replace. Although I was curious when they were talking about the drop protection. I don't know, the inside of the case, still looks the same. So that was the old case. So
the sky is falling, the sky's falling, it's falling, the sky.
I gotta stop throwing stuff. Let's go ahead and see what this case weighs, and I probably shouldn't have tossed the other case so I can see if there's a difference. So I got my case here. This is the new upgraded TORRAS case, and it comes in at 44 grams. Now I did go find the old one. It wasn't that hard, it was just right over there. And this one is 47 grams. A couple of grams lighter, probably because it doesn't have these metal buttons anymore. I don't think I want to compare anymore, so pew, 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 pew. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. So let's go ahead and pop this on there, and it goes in nice and easy, just like a TORRAS case.
Noise.
You've got the TORRAS branding here. You can really kind of see the gaps where those buttons, are pressed in. You can still kind of see your phone in there, but it fits in there nice. It comes out just as easy as it pops in. So going over this ring, you can do the old portrait mode, no problem. Landscape, you can do landscape as well. That is also no problem. So I'm pretty much, it's two positions. I mean, it turns, these two are the same, these two are the same. So, and you can bring it up a little bit, and you can hold it, in your hand like so. So let's see, what about back tap? Does that work? Back tap works good. You've got your cutouts, some perfect, nice little cutouts. You got your power button, and how about that camera protection? Nice camera protection. That has got a nice, solid, not too shallow, so you shouldn't have any problems setting it down. Screen protection around here, that's not too bad, but as you can see, one of my favorite things is it's got the little footies on the end. It's raised up on the top and raised up on the bottom. No problem setting your phone down. Nice. How about those buttons? Let's see. Oh yeah, they even got some good click to them. And the action button, it be actioning, although oof, my little old man magnifier up a little too high there.
Aha!
Let's see, those buttons. Yeah, sounds good to me. So the upgraded drop protection that they have, they're talking about, it's 12-foot military grade drop protection. They're saying that it'll absorb 98% of the shock and an increased protection capability by 20%. Now the TORRAS case does come in 2 colors. It comes in the black and it also comes in a clear. You know, it's about $40 on Amazon, and you know, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now I've got my magnet paper here, and you know, well, those are some pretty good magnets through here. Of course, there's not anything up here because that's where the hinge is down here, and you know, your little grabby thing is here. What they're saying about the magnets is it's a better hold up to 40%, but I do know that it'll still stick to your refrigerator. Flat metal surfaces, it'll still stick, so that's a good thing. But of course, will it charge my phone? And what about the shakeage? All right, so I have my 160 gram wireless charger here, and it charges.
Yes, science!
Doesn't have the dewdrop, which is kind of a bummer, but you know, I get it. Go ahead and let's shake it and you know, see what happens. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's medium. Medium shakeage, a little over medium, which I believe was about the same. 40%. I don't know. When it said 40%, I thought to myself, gonna take a pry bar to undo it. The magnets are good. Let me grab a little wallet here and let's check that out and see how that fits on there. I've got my Andar Mag wallet. It pops on there, fits on there good, doesn't get, yeah, there's still some gap there between the camera, bump there. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's, even without the dewdrop magnet part, it's staying on there. Now, if you happen to be in the market for say a tougher case, a Kevlar case, I've got a video here on the Spigen Enzo that I think you're gonna like. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Peace and love.